In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put a picture inside a shape using Adobe Express. This is a great way to enhance your design and give your images a fun, engaging twist. Whether you're working on the web or using the app, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is open Adobe Express. If you haven't already, kick off a new project or design. You can do this either on your computer or your mobile device, depending on where you're most comfortable working. Once you have your project set up, go ahead and upload or insert the image that you want to place inside a shape. This is the picture that will be transformed and creatively cropped to fit inside your chosen shape. With your image ready, click or tap on it to select it. You'll see a variety of tools pop up, and among these tools will be the Crop tool. Click on the Crop icon, which will open up an array of options. As Adobe's Help page outlines, this is where you can access the shape-based cropping feature, the key tool we'll be using today. Now, it's time to choose the shape that best fits your design. In the Crop panel, which should be on the left of your screen, you'll find several shape options like circles, squares, stars, hearts, and more. Select the shape that you want your image to be cropped into. This selection will apply a mask to your image, trimming it to fit perfectly within the boundaries of the shape you've chosen. Next up, refine the fit by using the settings to adjust the scale or rotation of the shape frame. You want to make sure that the important parts of your image are well positioned within the shape. Move the image around as needed until you're satisfied with how it looks. It's all about getting just the right portion of your photo to show through, and adjusting the scale is a handy way to achieve this. When you're happy with how everything looks, go ahead and confirm or apply the crop. Your image is now beautifully masked inside your selected shape. You've successfully turned a regular picture into a creative element within your design. After cropping, you might want to put on some finishing touches. You can adjust effects like brightness and contrast, so your image truly pops within its new frame. Additionally, don't hesitate to resize or reposition your cropped shape image as needed to fit your overall design layout. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to give your images some flair using Adobe Express. This technique can really elevate your projects, making them more unique and visually interesting. Enjoy experimenting with different shapes and creating stunning designs.